Hello everyone, it's number time. Now let's count the dots in each 10 frame. Are you ready? Let's go. Number 1. Let's write number 1. So we're going to start from the 1 circle, go up a little bit and then all the way down to the bottom. Number 1. Fantastic job, well done. Now we're going to find a counter that match number 1. Here we go. We have a 1 counter to match the number 1. Fantastic job, great work, well done. Number 2. Let's write number 2. We're going to start from the middle, this 1 circle, and then we're going to go up a little bit and all the way down, then across. Number 2. Fantastic job, well done, great work. Now we're going to find 2 counters to match our number 2. 1, 2. Great work, well done everyone. Fantastic. Number 3. Now let's write number 3. We're going to start from the 1 circle and then we're going to curl up down to the middle, out and then go up. Number 3. Fantastic job, well done. Now we're going to find 3 counters to match the number 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 counters on our number 10 frames and number 3. Fantastic job, well done everyone. Number 4. Let's write number 4. We're going to start from the 1 circle. We're going to come down and then across. And then we're going to go back to the top to the number 2 circle and all the way down. Number 4. Great work, well done, fantastic job. Now we're going to find 4 counters to place them on our number 10 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done. 4 counters to match the number 4. Fantastic job, well done. Number 5. Now let's write number 5. We're going to start from the 1 circle, come down, then around and curl it up. And then we're going to go back to the number 2 and across. Number 5. Fantastic job, well done. Number 5. Now we're going to find 5 counters to place them on our number 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counters to match the number 5. Fantastic, well done. Number 6. Now let's write number 6. We're going to start from the 1 circle at the top and we're going to curl down and around up to the middle. Number 6. Fantastic job, well done. Now we're going to, great work, we're going to find 6 counters and put it on our number 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 counters to match the number 6. Well done everyone. number 7. Now let's write number 7. We're going to start from number 1 dot, go across, and then come down all the way to an angle. Number 7. Well done. Fantastic job. Great work. Now we're going to find 7 counters and put them on our number 7 number square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 counters on our 10 number frame to match the number 7. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Number 8. Now let's write number 8. We're going to start from the middle, from the number 1 dot. We're gonna curl around, go back to the middle, to the top, and curl back to the middle. Well done. Number 8. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to find 8 counters and put it on our number 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, everyone. 8 counters to match the number 8. Number 9. Now let's write the number 9. We're going to start from number 1 dot. We're going to curl around, back to the top, and then all the way down. Well done. Number 9. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to find 9 counters to place them on our number 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 counters to match the number 9. Number 10. Now let's write number 10. We're going to write the number 1 first. So we're going to start from the dot, go up and then all the way down, and then we're going to write number 0. So we're going to start from the top and then we go all the way around. That is number 10. 1 and a 0 makes 10. Fantastic. Well done, everyone. Now we're going to find 10 counters to place them on our number 10 frame. And let's see if our number 10 frame is going to be all full. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 counters to match the number 10. Fantastic job. Well done, everyone. Great work. Hello, parents. Please visit my Etsy store where you will find money resources that you can download and help your child with their early reading, writing and math skills. I will leave a link in description. Thank you for all your support and happy learning.